Companies do not compete with each other, it is actually the entire supply chain of a company that competes with a supply chain of another. Having access to financing at the right cost is one of the crucial elements in the smooth functioning of supply chains. Introducing VFin Supply Chain Finance, among the world's most comprehensive supply chain finance platforms with modules catering to all possible product configurations in the SCF world. Designed by bankers, for bankers, VFin SCF is a leading contextual solution built on the bedrock of user-led design, data, and analytics. Starting from onboarding a customer to risk mitigation and default management, VFin SCF automates and integrates all critical stakeholders, corporates, their supply chain, and the lenders in a single digital platform to ensure seamless information sharing. Our roots in the design of custom software applications help bring together the state-of-the-art SCF platform with the best-in-class customizing project skills to craft tailor-made solutions, which are often required during implementations involving the systems at large corporates. VFin SCF platform is ready to deploy out of the box as our modules already incorporate all standard and many industry-first features. With a vision to make cutting-edge technology available to all clients, we offer numerous structured pay-as-you-use models alongside our licensing model. Reach out to us if you are ready to own the most business-friendly SCF solution in the market.